Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new high energy bars, and these are going to be chocolate flavored. Our box is going to come with 12 high energy bars, and each bar is going to be 570 calories. Each bag is going to have two 60-gram serving bars inside of it, so your total bag is going to be 120 grams. This whole box is going to have a total of 6,840 calories. This is going to be plenty for your daily needs. As you can see, these are extremely compact, so they're going to be very easy to carry with you and pack away when you're hiking or just out on the go. These are also going to be military grade, so they're going to be good for all kinds of different activities. They also have an extremely long shelf life, so these are going to last for a very long time. These are going to be made out of high quality flour, sugar, oil, and other ingredients. These are going to allow you to maintain an active body state before high intensity activity.